When it comes to shedding light on a situation, we've got you covered. Etekcity's collapsible lantern features 360 degrees of bright LED lighting designed with 30 LED bulbs evenly illuminating surrounding objects. Built for the outdoors, the lantern is made with military-grade, water-resistant material. While featuring lightweight portability, the lantern also offers the rugged durability to handle impacts, drops, and drizzly weather. To activate the light of the lantern, simply pull up the fold-away handles and extend for brightness. Easily control the amount of light provided by the lantern by adjusting its height. The collapsible design makes storage and portability easy and effortless. Handy for emergency situations and outdoor recreation, the lantern will provide up to 12 hours of dependable lighting. When battery power is running low, the lantern will automatically dim itself in order to conserve and extend battery life and usage. Just pull and go. Take the lantern along for on-the-go lighting for camping and hiking trips. Easily hang the lantern for hands-free illumination. The lantern was designed for safe and easy use for all ages. Even when it's used for an extended period of time, the outer surface won't overheat and burn at the touch of a hand. Fold down and collapse the lantern to easily store it in any car compartment or emergency kit. When in immediate need of light, the lantern provides bright illumination with easier handling than the smartphone in your pocket. Whether used around the house or out and about, Etekcity's collapsible lantern will bring 360 degrees of illumination to the palm of your hand. It's a simpler, safer, and brighter idea.